Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. Today I am going to show you a recipe regarding sambar. That is, there are different varieties of sambar like South Indian sambar, North Indian sambar, then raw sambar, Raul sambar, etc. In that I am going to show you North Indian style sambar. There is slightly difference between North Indian sambar as well as South Indian sambar that I will explain to you while preparing. Now let us see what all ingredients we need for preparing the same. Now I will explain to you the various ingredients needed for preparing the North Indian style sambar. First, for the masala preparation, that is coriander around 100 grams, then 20 Kashmiri chili, 1.5 spoon of fenugreek, little turmeric, and around 1.5 spoon of jeera, that is cumin seed. Then along with that you have to grind something around 5 to 6 tomatoes. The next is masuri dal, around 1/4 kg. Then salt for the taste. Then lime, that is 2 limes squeezed and made the juice. Little jaggery, around 100 grams of coconut milk powder. Then around 2 kg of cauliflower. Then for seasoning purpose, little asafoetida, coconut oil, curry leaves, mustard, coriander leaves. Now I will explain regarding the tomatoes. Here we have taken tomato, that is Pollachi tomato. That is, it will be for preparation of sambar, Pollachi tomatoes are the best. It will be sour to taste, more fleshy, more liquid inside it. For sambar preparation, this is the best one. But you will get Bangalore tomato also. Bangalore tomato will be having very good flesh, but it's not watery and it's not sour to taste also. So better use Pollachi tomato only. Now you have to grind all these items together in a mixie. Next is, I have taken, usually in South India we prefer tur dal, but North Indians they prefer masuri dal. So I have taken masuri dal. And at the same time for sambar preparation, South Indians use mostly tamarind, but here I am using lime, little lime. And one more difference is that usually we take fresh coconut, but in North India, fresh coconut is not that easily available, so I am just preferring coconut milk powder. And gobi very much. And finally for seasoning, I am taking little coriander leaves also. So now let us start. We will grind in a blender first this Kashmiri chili, coriander, jeera, fenugreek, and tomatoes. First we will grind it. My pan is heated, and as well as I have already poured this gobi as well as little tomato, and it's now almost cooked. So in order to avoid timings, I have just done it. There is no little water as well as gobi and tomato I have added, and now it's cooked. Now first we'll just add this masalas which I have already grinded in a mixie. We'll just add it now. Along with this, I am adding the jaggery which I have already kept here. Now the lime, little turmeric, and the salt. Now we'll wait for another 10 minutes so that everything gets cooked properly. 10 to 15 minutes. Now the gobi as well as the masala as well as the tomatoes are all well cooked. See. Now towards this we'll add this coconut milk powder, watered. And this masuri dal which we have already pre-cooked in a pressure cooker, giving 3 to 4 whistles. Now you have to leave it for another 10 minutes so that it gets cooked properly, everything. So we'll wait for another 10 minutes so that it gets steamed and cooked properly. Now our cauliflower sambar or gobi sambar, or you can call it North Indian style sambar, is ready. Now we'll just shift it to a serving bowl and season and garnish it.